Hi guys, today we will talk about how to start video on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on calls, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go up, you click here on this camera here, and it's going to take you to this window, and here you will find all list of friends you have. So I don't have any friends because my account is new account. So in the only can you search here for your friends you want to start a video call. You just click. So if you find here your friends, you will click, find here start a video call, and you click, and it's going to start video call with them on your Messenger app. I wish you I get it. That's all. Just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.